Friends, Mahatma Gandhi fought for a united and independent India. Gandhigram itself is a story of India's unity. This is where thousands of villagers came to a train to have a glimpse of Gandhiji. It did not matter where he was from. What mattered was both Gandhiji and the villagers were Indians. Tamil Nadu has always been the home of national consciousness. Here, Swami Vivekananda received a heroic welcome on his return from the West. Even last year, we witnessed the chants of Veer Vanakkam, the way Tamil people showed their respect for General Bipin Rawat, were deeply moving. Meanwhile, Kashi Tamil Sangamam will soon happen in Kashi. It will celebrate the bond between Kashi and Tamil Nadu. The people of Kashi are eager to celebrate Tamil Nadu's language, culture and history. This is Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat in action. This love and respect for each other is the basis of our unity. I appeal to the youth graduating here to especially focus on encouraging unity.